Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new YouTube video. Today is going to be simple. I am going to prove to you that deving meme coins is more profitable than trading them, more consistent than trading them, and way less stressful because you have nothing to lose when you create coins. And I'm going to do it live with a live launch in this video so that the numbers speak for themselves. No fluff, let's get straight into it, bro. If you're tired of losing money, this is for you. Keep your eyes locked on this video if you want a free coin. Throughout the video, I'll be randomly dropping one sol for multiple viewers at unexpected moments, so don't leave early. Your chance could appear anytime before the end. Now look, in the meme coin market, you have only traders and devs, okay? And most people think that you'll make way more money from trading just because it's more popular, but the truth is that devs are making way more money than the traders. Why? Because most of these coins being launched just end up going to zero, and obviously the traders will not make money when the coin goes to zero. Instead, it's the devs. These devs are making so much money just from dumping the coin on their end. It's absolutely absurd. That is exactly why, in this video, I will expose the entire strategy for finding an on-chain narrative, turning it into a meme coin, and launching it right. I am not here to sell you a course. I am not LARPing, okay? I am the only guy on YouTube doing full live launches, so you'd better watch until the end. Now, here's where most devs mess up. They think that by launching coins on Pump.Fun, they're going to get generational wealth or their coin is going to go viral. The truth is that Pump.Fun is completely oversaturated. It's flooded by a bunch of coins launching every single second. The fact is that most of these coins are going nowhere. They are going to get no buyers. On top of that, you don't even control your own liquidity when you launch on Pump.Fun, and your coin needs to hit around a $35,000 market cap just to migrate. In that level of noise, it's basically impossible. That is exactly why I have a different strategy, and it's untapped, and that is launching directly to Raydium without going through the bonding curve. I directly launched to Raydium, reaching thousands of people instantly. A bunch of people are waiting to buy your coin, and we will be using that initial momentum to make our coin push forward and go viral. But look, to launch a meme coin straight to the migrate section, bro, you cannot use Pump.Fun. Instead, use launch meme.fun. Every coin you launch here skips the bonding curve and goes straight to Raydium. That's why a bunch of top devs are keeping this launchpad a secret. Making a coin on this launchpad is extremely easy. You have options. If you have a community or some type of news that you found online, you can turn that into a coin. Just put a name, symbol, and image. Or you can use their free X tracker and turn viral tweets into coins before anyone else. It's as simple as that. New tweets come out every single second from important accounts, and you can instantly mint them. But I have my own strategy that is printing me every single day, and that is the copy trending coins feature right here. Instead of creating a whole new coin from scratch, I just copy a coin that already went viral or is going viral right now. I make a duplicate and I copy it back to Raydium to get a bunch of buyers and attention to propel my own copy forward. Let me show you exactly how to do it from a dev perspective. Alright guys, let's make some money, bro. Let me show you exactly how to do it from A to Z. Make sure your Phantom wallet is connected, right? Hit refresh and then you will see a bunch of new coins pop up. Look for one to copy, bro. I'm just going to copy this one right here. Click on copy to Raydium. Your Phantom wallet will show a warning. Just ignore it. It's totally normal for all launchpads. Click on proceed, confirm I understand, confirm, and then your coin will be created, okay? Give it a couple of seconds. And boom, now it's live, bro. The coin gets vamped and created. If I open SolScan for proof, you can see it was minted on chain just 8 seconds ago. Everything is legit. Return to the site and click create liquidity. Now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Here is where we will be allocating our supply for the Raydium pool so your coin can actually go live. For the amount of tokens, click on 90%. I usually do this amount for all my coins. For the sol pairing right under it, put anywhere from 0.3 to 1 sol. Basically, you are exchanging some of your sol for supply in your own coin. Like that, you can make money as a dev because you have the supply before everyone else. And look, you are not losing this amount. You can get it back at any time when you exit. Click on create pool. Your Phantom wallet will appear. Ignore the block, right? And click confirm. After that, bro, you can see our pool live and P and L are moving. And if you want to check how much you make, just hit refresh and boom, we are up around $70. And it shows that the pool is successfully created and open for people to trade. Now go on Photon, Axiom, or Nova, it's up to you, bro, to see your chart, let the coin load properly, and see, guys, buyers are in and a lot of transactions are happening. That's really unbelievable, but we need to push it in front of the retail traders. If nobody knows the coin exists, nobody buys. We are going straight to promote Memes.Fun to automatically get instant exposure on Deck Screener, GMGN, and Bird Eye. Connect your Phantom wallet, paste your token address. I'm going with the advanced 0.5 Sol package for maximum reach. You can choose any package you want. Now this is the most important part. Make sure you enable include free website. Upload your logo, set your token name, select Raydium, and select your preferred theme. I'm going with black and just click confirm. Our website preferences are saved and good to go. Now click pay and promote. Wait for the Phantom wallet to pop up. This is a confirmation request. Click confirm. Now watch within seconds it builds a clean website and starts pushing your coin to thousands of active traders. Boom, the website is ready. Open it and see your token details and tokenomics. You can also add this site link to your socials. Let's jump over to Photon and watch the chart live. Oh my god, we're gaining a bunch of attention. This is insane, guys. Look at this. Some people are also selling our coin, bro. So many people are insta-buying our meme coin. This is exactly why I love deving, bro. Like, look at this. It's all going live on camera. My personal coin is getting a bunch of buyers, bro. 1,000 market cap. Things are insane. We're already up like a couple of $100 if I had to guess. Like, bang, bro. Oh my god, bro. It's still pumping again. Guys, I spent practically nothing on creating this coin, and look at this. I'm gonna give this coin some time for it to pump. When I come back, I'll show you exactly how to cash out. Alright guys, I am back. We are sitting at a $3,000 market cap and around $2,000 in liquidity. The momentum is peaking, so I am dumping my position now. Now, look, come back to launch Meme.Fun, and obviously, bro, click on the refresh button once again to see how much you're up now. And as you can see, we're up 2 grand, bro. That's insane. Click the minus button, then select 100% and click remove liquidity. Your Phantom wallet will appear right here. Just ignore the block, click confirm, and wait a few seconds as liquidity is removed. Bang! I just showed you exactly how to dev a meme coin on camera. Look at this. $2,864 is what I received straight into my Phantom wallet. Even though the market is down, we still made money, bro. When I start the video, I only have 7 Sol, and look guys, now I have 32 in total, 25 Sol in 20 minutes. If you don't succeed, try this strategy again, but look at what I earn. I'll meet you in the next video. And yes, it is a repeatable method, bro. You have to stay consistent. You have to be launching multiple coins a day. The results will always be different. Maybe on one coin you might make $4,500 and sometimes $7,000, $30,000, or $5,000. You never know, bro, but you have to stay consistent on all your devs. If you want a chance to win free Sol for your next launch, here's the last giveaway winner, and here's how you can join too. Subscribe, drop a like, and comment DevMemeCoin below. I'm giving someone a boost to help fund their next coin project. The winners will be revealed inside my Discord and Telegram communities, so make sure you join both. If you're not following there, you won't qualify for the giveaway.